Nako po, Gina Acosta. Durog na durog. Nako po, sa kakapalusot na paulit-ulit sa mga sagot na nagaw. At natawag pang blind stupid. Ay, gravity. Ibang klase talaga mga kakabsat. Pero sige, wag na natin patagalin to. Silipin muna natin yung mga glimpse. Glimpse lang, mabsat glimpse. Pasukin natin to.
Jesus, ang lahat po'y makiisa at magsabing amen.
Amen. The clerk of court will now call the roll.
Call of members. Senator Judge Aquino. Senator Judge Cayetano Alan. Senator Judge
The Committee on Good Government. Play the video, please. 2022. Now, ito yung tanong now. Hindi si Colonel Lachica under the office of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tama po ba?
Member po siya, Your Honor. Official po siya, Your Honor.
And then the last hearing, hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba or hindi.
Si Colonel Lachica.
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Wait, that's a basis. That's a probing question to what the witness already answered. Answered rather.
Witness may answer. Kindly answer the question, Ma'am Gina.
Wala na ko to nasagot, Your Honor, kay dili man ko nagtrabaho sa HR, Your Honor.
Anyways, okay, thank you. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba as the Special Disbursing Officer,
Trabaho mo.
SDO, kayo po ay you posted yung tinatawag na fidelity bond with the Bureau of Treasury. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, Your Honor.
At hindi rin po ba naalala nyo that you admitted na kailangan kayong mag-post ng bond dahil posibleng mawala nyo ang pagkalaki.
Naturuan talaga yan.
Tama po ba? To aid your memory, we will show.
Siyempre, kanila yan eh. Kaya doon nila yan si Akos. Naturuan talaga yan. Yun nga lang, yung template niya, masyado ng bistado. Kaya alam ko po, kahit anong isagot niya, hindi niya masagot ng diretso. Oo, hindi. Kumbaga, meron siyang sinasagot niya ng pa. Ipupunta niya kay Sarah, papunta kay Lachica, hanggang sa hindi niya masagot na oo, hindi. Ganun. Grabe. Kumbaga na parang nagtanga-tangahan siya, maabsat, no? Na parang napakasimple ng tanong, di mo masagot.
Show you transcript of stenographic notes of that 2024 November 25 hearing before the Committee on Good Government of the House of Representatives. Show the
Puntan nga natin yung yung mga tanong.
Ms. Acosta, hindi po ba kayo ay natakot magbitbit ng ganitong kalaking halaga na pera?
Cross-examination tayo. Cross-examination.
Hindi. Na baka mahulog kayo.
Clarificatory. Totoo.
As SDO, you were not part of
Natatawa din ako dito sa attorney ito eh.
of the agency, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no experience in confidential operations.
Wala pa akong experience niyan, Your
Yun naman pala, wala siyang experience sa confidential. Bakit ikaw ang ginawang SDO? Sa dami-dami ng mga pwedeng gawing SDO, bakit ikaw pa?
Honor.
You do not know how confidential operations are done on the ground.
Wala pa akong alam niyan, Your Honor.
You have not undergone any formal training regarding confidential operations
Wala siyang talagang alam. Wala siyang alam. Anak ng kamote.
or activities.
Wala pa akong training na ganyan.
You are not aware of the operational security required when it comes to confidential operations, correct?
Yes po.
Yun lang.
Wala po kayong military
Yun lang.
background.
Wala po akong...
Sadya
May law
talaga yan,
enforcement
sadya.
background po ba kayo?
Ano po yun?
Do you have a law enforcement background?
Wala po ako niyan, Your Honor.
When you were STO of
Christy
the
Jamang,
OVP,
shout out.
you have no authority to access security information, correct?
Yes po.
Wala rin po kayong authority to access classified information.
Yes po.
You were not also given any security clearance in the
Wala.
OVP. And because you were already the STO of Davao City, you remain familiar with the Joint Circular, correct?
Yan pa.
Familiar po a little, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Familiar daw
The
siya.
Joint Circular does not require you, an SDO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations.
That's misleading, Your Honor. It's clearly in the
Yan, ito. Circular 2015-01.
joint circular that's the job. That's the job by an SDO to
Yes.
disperse confidential funds.
Your
The job of the SDO, kaya nga tinawag siya, di ba? Kaya tinawag siya na SDO siya yung taga-disperse. Hindi niya pwedeng ipasa na kahit sino kung kani-kanino. At lalong hindi pwedeng ibigay sa security. Hindi trabaho ng security ang mag-disperse. Wala sa Circular 2015-01. Walang nakalagay. Ang may trabaho niyan, mandato diyan, si SDO Acosta, wala nang iba.
Honor, the prosecution also inquired as to the contents of the joint circular.
Oh, that's why.
I'm examining the witness, Your Honor. If there is such a provision.
The question is misleading.
Witness may answer, she knows. I'll allow it, counsel. Kindly answer the question.
The joint circular does not require you, an SDO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations on the ground.
Wala pong sinabi ang circular, Your Honor.
Wala rin po bang sinabi sa joint circular na kailangan may experience kayo pagdating sa confidential operations?
Wala din, Your Honor, sa akong pagka-understand.
May nakalagay rin po ba sa joint circular na kailangan may kaalaman kayo kung papaano ginagawa ang confidential activities?
Wala ko naka-encounter na, Your Honor, sa GC.
Nire-require
Sa
din
GC.
po ba kayo ng joint circular na mag-undergo ng formal na training para sa confidential activities?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require po ba kayo ng joint circular na dapat ang STO merong military background?
Wala ko kabasahan na, Your Honor.
Wala rin ang law enforcement background. Wala rin ganyung requirement.
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require ba ng joint circular na ang isang special disbursing officer kailangan may authority to access security information?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na ang STO kailangan may security clearance?
Wala, Your Honor.
Wala siyang alam talaga.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na pinagbabawal
Shout
kayo
out.
mag-rely sa documents provided by a security officer?
Ano yun, Your Honor?
May pagbabawal po ba sa joint circular na ang nabawal mag-rely sa documents na pinoprovide ng security officer?
Wala, Your Honor.
The requirement of the joint circular is that a special disbursing officer must be a regular or permanent employee of the agency, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And you are a regular or permanent employee of the Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor. Coterminous po, Your Honor.
And the joint circular provides that it is the SO who must have access to security information. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And ito rin po ba ang dahilan kaya ang SO, ang security officer ang kailangan mag-implement ng confidential operations ng ahensya?
Sa ako ang pagsabot sa GC, Your Honor.
At ang security officer po ang nag-designate dito ang head of agency, tama?
Yes, ang head of agency, Your Honor.
Yun din po ba ang dahilan kaya kinailangan nyo ang inputs o guidance ng security officer in preparing the
Kailangan daw niya yung gamit na sila, chika.
Yes, Your Honor, kasi wala po akong alam sa mga...
Wala ka talagang alam. Dapat hindi ikaw ang STO. Dapat na lang sila, chika, ang ginawang SDO. Siya palang may alam eh. Nako pa, gisang-gisa ito, sigurado.
Operation sa ground.
The OVP
Fast forward natin ha. Wait lang, fast forward natin. Tingnan natin sa mga senador. Sa senador, ito, wait lang.
Uulitin ko, I will indulge. Ma'am, sinabi nyo kanina, si Colonel Lachica yung nag-i-implement ng confidential activities kasi siya yung may access to security information. Yun, napakaklaro niyan, ma'am, ha?
Opo.
Naaalala nyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your Honor.
Sinabi nyo rin, kinonfirm nyo yung observation ng Defense Council na on the other hand, yung Special Disbursing Officer naman Wala naman nakasulat dyan na may alam about confidential activities. Naaalala niyo po ba yan? Yung sagot niyo.
Yes, naalala ko.
Okay.
Sagot ko sa kay Attorney
Ano yung pangalan ng attorney, ma'am, if you know?
Lyndon.
Ma'am, kailan niyo nakausap si Attorney Lyndon before this
Attorney
testimony?
Lyndon.
Not
Ma'am.
part of the
It is.
cross,
It is.
Your Honor.
It is. Ma'am, kailan niyo last
Counsel
nakausap?
may impeach the witness. She has been declared a hostile witness.
Ma'am, look at me, ma'am. Tingin ka sa
Yes,
akin.
sir.
Ma'am, you are under oath.
Opo.
Yes, ma'am. Kailan mo last nakausap si Attorney Lyndon?
Last week. Last week pa.
Last week or last week?
Last week. Kasi last week, umuwi ako ng Davao to visit my husband.
And then, so doon mo nakita sa Attorney Lyndon?
No.
Last week?
Last week pa.
Ano
Before I
pag-usapan niyo,
go.
ma'am? Very interesting. Ano pag-usapan niyo?
Na ano lang, natanong ko lang sa kanya kung what is the proceedings kung sa Senate hearing.
Mhm. And then, ano sinabi ni Attorney Lyndon?
Ganito, tatanungin po kayo, ma'am. Tapos,
Oo.
bla bla bla. Doon
And then,
ka
sinasabi niya ano yung mga tanong itatanong sa'yo, hindi po ba?
wala siyang sinasabi, Your Honor.
Agud! Wala daw.
Anyways, now, let's go back. Sinasabi mo, security officer may access to security information. Now, if the tech is ready, can we show
Yan na.
3.27? 3.27 ng Joint Circular. But this
Yan
is
na,
rather
yan
brief.
na.
I will read for everyone's consumption. Security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated as such to have access to security information. Tanong, nasa 3.27 ba, yung nabanggit kong provision, yung terminong confidential activities, yes or no? Wala. Ma'am, wala, di ba? Yes or no?
Confidential.
Wala po ba? Security information. Ma'am,
Kabadong
I confront you with a document.
Kabadong
Please,
kabado.
Pwede, Mark.
Diyos ko po, wala na. Durog na durog to.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yan na.
Oh.
Special Disbursing Officer Security Officer. Anong mga kanina? Joint Circular to 2015.01.
Mhm. Wala dyan, di po ba?
Wala
Walang-
po dito.
Now, pero on the other hand, 3.29, this time the definition of a special disbursing officer, nakasulat dyan, refers to head of agency or a regular employee designated by the head of agency to be in charge of making
Disbursement.
disbursements of CF. Anong ibig sabihin ng CF?
Confidential funds.
Sa akong, in my own understanding, Your Honor,
Confidential.
CF means confidential funds.
Agree. Sa dalawang provision na yan, napakaklaro, trabaho.
Trabaho mo.
As a special disbursing officer,
Trabaho mo.
yung pag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala sa security officer's definition ni isa. Wala dyan nakasulat na trabaho niya. Confidential activities. Pag-disburse ng confidential activities. Tama po ba?
Ako po ang nag-disburse, Your Honor. Dili po siya ang nag-disburse. Siya lang po ang nag-implement, Your Honor.
Yes, that's your answer. Now, ma'am, sinabi mo kanina na as SDO, hindi naman required na may background in confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Agree. Tinanong yan ng
Opo,
pan.
Your Honor.
Sinabi din na walang
Tinanong
necessary training
Yan din. Tinanong din kanina yan.
to confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Ano yun?
Walang training in
Hindi
confidential
kailangan ng
activities na
training.
requirement for confidential.
Yes.
I mean,
Tinanong ni
as a
Atty.
SDO,
yan.
walang
Atty.
requirement
Bakal.
na training in confidential
Bakal.
activities.
Wala po nakabutang dito, Your
I'm just
Honor.
curious ba, ma'am, ano po ba yung natapos niyo, ma'am? Ano yung college degree niyo?
College graduate po, Your Honor.
College
Ano
graduate?
nga?
Anong kurso niyo?
Customs Administration, Your Honor.
Ma'am, saan kayo nag-aral?
Sa Davao po.
Anong school?
Maths College of Technology.
Customs Administration.
Opo, Your Honor.
Did you take a licensure exam?
Wala, Your Honor.
Okay now. Ma'am, sinabi niyo na wala kayong background sa confidential activities. Hindi po ba?
Confidential operation po, Your Honor.
Confidential operations. Yung tanong is, ba't kaya kayo yung? Kung alam mo lang ha,
Bakit ikaw yung pinili?
since
Bakit?
wala kayong alam, yun yung pinapakita nyo sa mundo na wala kayong alam. Ba't ka naging SDO kung alam mo?
Bakit ka? Sa dami ng lahat ng tinanong, wala kang alam. Bakit sa dami-dami na pwede maging SDO, bakit ikaw pa?
Hindi mo rin alam.
Misleading, argumentative, Your Honor.
There's basis.
Complete the question, Counsel, if I may.
Yes.
Kung wala kayong training sa confidential activities, bakit po kayo ang napili bilang SDO para panghawakan ng confidential fund? Hindi lamang ng OVP, pati ng sa Davao po nun.
Hindi ko alam po, Your Honor, kung bakit ako po ang kinuha ng Vice Presidente as SDO.
Oh my goodness.
Sa OVP at sa City of Davao. Opo, tama.
Sa dalawa po, Your Honor.
I will ask this question, Your Honor, and there's basis. Hindi po ba naging SDO ka
Ang Davao.
because you follow orders
Yun.
blindly?
Blindly.
Ano, blind?
Objection, Your Honor.
There's basis to
Argumentative.
that, Your Honor. There
You
is
follow
basis to the
or-
question.
It's argumentative, Your Honor.
Naging SDO ka.
Reform Council, it is
Naging SDO
argumentative.
ka kasi sinusunod mo lang lahat ng utos sa'yo.
Ni Madam.
For example, ng Vice President.
Same objection, Your Honor.
I reformed.
We will allow it, Council. We will allow it, Council. Kindly answer, sa pananaw niyo po ba yan ang dahilan kung bakit
Kayo
kayo
SDO.
ang hinirang
Yes,
na
sir.
SDO
Yes,
ng
ma'am.
Davao at ng OVP?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo rin alam.
Hindi mo masabi na dahil sinusunod mo lahat ng inuutos sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang, Your Honor, ang akong pagiging SDO, Your Honor.
Now, let me continue, Your Honor, please.
Please proceed.
Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, yung pagre-report ko naman, that was in coordination with the security officer. In coming up with the report in coordination with the security officer. Di ba naalala mo yung tanong tsaka sagot na iyan kanina during cross-examination by the defense? Alala niyo po ba?
Opo.
Ba't hindi po ba sinabi niyo rin, ako yung nagtatanong while I was asking you, sinabi naman ni Colonel Lachica na wag nang magtanong kasi nga paano ini-implement kasi confidential yung mga ginagawa niya. Di ba nasabi niyo yan? When I was asking you questions,
Gi-verify ko po, Your Honor.
okay, we will go into that. Do you want me to repeat the question? Kanina sinabi mo you came up with the report in coordination with the security officer. You said yes. But when I was asking you questions, sinabi mo may mga sinabi si Colonel Lachica na wag mo nang tatanungin yan kasi that is confidential. That's part of confidential activities. Naalala mo sagot na yan, di ba?
Opo.
Opo. So therefore, you tried verifying kay Colonel Lachica. Sasabihin niya, Ma'am Gina, huwag mong itatanong yan kasi nga confidential. Pero you still submitted certifications na tama yung pinaggamitan ni Colonel Lachica ng confidential activities.
Based
As
po
an
sa...
answer, Your Honor.
The
Witness
counsel
to
answering
answer.
for the witness.
Kindly answer the question, Ma'am Gina. Based sa?
Nag-base ko din po yun sa mga documents, Your Honor, na binigay sa akin ni Colonel Ka
Mhm.
after matapos po implement ng confidential funds,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor.
Mga documents na sinabi nyo rin kanina, klarong-klaro, crystal clear, na wala kayong
Alam.
personal knowledge or personal na nalalaman. Hindi po
Wala.
ba?
As an answer, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is another topic.
On redirect, no? Witness may answer.
Ano po, sir?
Wala po kayong personal knowledge dun sa mga
Documents.
intelligence, confidential activities na ginawa ni Lachica. Binase nyo lang sa dokumentong binigay niya.
Yes, Your Honor. O pag-verify na ako sa iya, ibig sabihin mag-verify yung pagpangutanan ako sa iya, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me continue. Now, sinabi nyo kanina na wala namang requirement, na may alam sa confidential activities, walang training. Pero hindi po ba, ma'am, na requirement sa SDO yung pagkakaroon ng common sense?
Anong ibig sabihin, Your Honor?
Ay, napakaklaro ng tanong ko. Ma'am, I will...
Ano to ibig sabihin ng common sense? Sir Leonardo, ayoko na. Magkano sinasahod dito? Sa OVP, itong si Gina Acosta. Magkano ang sahod ng isang distribution officer? Check upin ko. My goodness! Sir Leonardo! Ang daling AI lang natin to I-chat GPT natin. Chat GPT. How much? Ito. Chat GPT na. How much salary? How much salary SDO OVP? Yan. Anong sagot? Ang sahod ng isang OVP, she was identified as the current Senate impeachment OVP. Sir, you mean Gina Acosta? But yes. Wow! Sir Leonardo, ito, walang alam to pero ang sahod niya. Ang dali lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Baka sabihin niyo, nag-invento tayo. Chinat GPT lang natin to, no? Ito, Vice President Office Staff, salary grade 24, DBM classification, salary grade 24. Under the 2020 updated government salary schedule, SG24 has monthly basic salary of Step 1, 90,000 per month. Step 8 hanggang 97. Ay, paldo, Sir Leonardo! Gina Acosta, if you meet Gina Acosta position, identified as Officer 4, 5. Ay, grabe. Diyan na pupunta yung tax natin kay Gina Acosta. Kaya nga, Merlita, sayang pinapasahod sa walang alam, sa confident, walang alam sa intelligence. My goodness! Ay, gravity! O, balik tayo sa hearing. Putragis, 90,000 to 97,000 ang sasahurin niya. Ay, paldo. Paldong Gina Acosta to. Sige, tuloy.
Repeat the question.